Welcome back, guys.
Kuhain mo lang yung huling kanin. Diba tatlong kanin?
Another video. Here's Popeyes. So good. It's my favorite part. The crunchy. It's crunchy and crispy. Just dip it in the sauce.
I think I